You already know what it is. It's your boy N31LE. Today, we're gonna be trying out Shine Armor's new plastic restorer. So, I'm already on my 2015 Ram 3500. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting the plastic restorer on this trim here. You know, my truck's black. I like to keep it shiny whenever it's washed. But this trim is not really a whole lot of things we can do about it except maybe throw some plastic restorer on there. So let's throw this on there, see what we can do. Difference that this product makes, I mean, look at it, see for yourself. Like, just from what it was to like what it is now, that's crazy, yo. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up cleaning out this truck bed, and I'm gonna do the whole rest of this trim piece, because I mean, if I can have like a super clean black truck and then have the trim be clean too, I mean, that, look, if Shine Armor's plastic restore can clean this, you best believe this can clean anything. I mean, this product speaks for itself.